Hi, Zachary Ashby again with Pacific Northwest Family Law. Thinking a little bit about planning for the future and emergency preparation, especially with this recent scare with the coronavirus. Regardless of whether you think it's going to be a pandemic, and time will tell how serious it's going to be in the United States or even worldwide. But I think it's causing a lot of people to think about preparing for the future. I know in my family we made sure we had some foodstuffs that'll last us a while in case bad things happen. And I think that's a good idea for anyone to be prepared for bad situations. One thing that you can do for a future that a lot of people don't think about because it's not an emergency right now, it's not urgent, is what would happen to you and your family in case of a terrible accident in which you were either incapacitated or even or died, or or a loved one passed away or couldn't act for themselves anymore. What are you going to do? The law is pretty clear that you can't just act in the name of another person. There are certain assets that you can't have access to without going through the court and getting a court order. And some of them you can. Do you know which ones? What are you going to do in an emergency? Do you know what your loved ones are going to do? Do they know? Do you have it written down? What kind of care you'd like in the hospital? What kind of access you want? I guess what I'm saying is, we can see these things, these very immediate things are emergencies, but like coronavirus, but it's a fact of life that we're all going to, at some point, we're not going to be able to act for ourselves. You should have a plan in place. You need to be able to take care of your loved ones, not just physically, not just have enough food in storage, not just have enough, a roof over their heads, but have something in place so that they can take action legally. They can be taken care of. They don't have to wait. They don't have to go through the courts. They don't have to wait for a judge to say, yeah, it's okay, you can access these funds. There's ways to help with a good estate plan, and we can help at Pacific Northwest Family Law. Give us a call, 509-866-4111, or email us at info@pnwfamilylaw.com. Like us on Facebook and YouTube. You can we'll post regular videos with information. Go ahead and do that so we can you can keep in contact. Thank you. Bye.